on the beautiful Jutland Peninsula. There is a romantic and mysterious country, known as the hometown of mermaids and fairy tale kingdom, Denmark. In 1820, Danish physicist Hans Christian Ørsted discovered the electromagnetic, which opened the revolution of electronics. The Danish Lrongxk company, as a world-renowned electronic and electrical products manufacturer, based on Østers electronics, they use tomorrow's products to meet today's needs, and meeting today's needs as their motto, incorporating the spirit of entrepreneurship, continuously promoting the process of industrial civilization. In 1987, a young college student, Mr. Wu Jianhu, with the dream of revitalizing the national brand, came here. He introduced the most advanced European Q-series isolation switch technology. In 2001, he resolutely inherited Lrongxk brand with a history of 60 years and transformed it into the current Lrongxk Electrical Co. Limited. It focuses on knife melting isolation switch, dual power, and service, connecting the world and accommodate all rivers. Pursue dreams. Xiamen Control is a brand. 2 leading products: Fuse knife switch and dual power conversion switch. The isolation switch series products, with a maximum working current of 5,000 amps. The knife melting switch is up to 1,600 amps. The dual power conversion switch series products. There are PC level, CB level, 2-stage, and 3-stage products. Among them, the dual power conversion switch, with the largest working current of 6,300 amps. Its excellent and stable quality determine the unique personality charm of the switch. It is like a hero who is willing to be silent. It bears the load firmly and enduringly without complaint. Long-term commitment and silent company. It is the profound understanding of switch culture by Lrongxk. Feeling the cultural influence, Lrongxk people are determined to make switches perfect. They overlay their wisdom on switch culture and pass it on to society. Achievement in refinement. It is the corporate spirit of Lrongxk. Lrongxk people love switches. They devote all their energy to the manufacturing and research of switches. In this process, they pursue ingenuity and excellence as their achievements. They have won the respect of customers and peers. Lrongxk is a famous trademark in Fujian province, a national high-tech enterprise. It is also recognized as a Xiamen technology, small giant and the most growth-oriented enterprise. Over the past decade, it has obtained many invention patents. Since 2015, the company has fully implemented lean production and continuously improved production processes and improved production efficiency. In terms of quality management, Lrongxk takes quality as their quality concept. It strictly implements ISO 9001 and ISO 14001 environmental management standards. Meanwhile, the products have passed ROS verification, meeting environmental protection requirements, and meet the harmony between manufacturing environment and development. Among them, the Q-Series knife fuse isolating switch are praised by users as maintenance-free for 10 years. The company focuses on industrial trends, focusing on power plants, shipbuilding and transportation industries, and photovoltaic and wind power, charging piles, data centers, and other businesses. It has established distribution networks in major cities. It has customers like State Grid, Zakon, Eden, Cooper, Otter, Kahua, and Hangsheng, and many other domestic and foreign customers. In the future, Zhagong will continue to focus on the manufacturing and research of low-voltage switchgear. It will focus on the production and sales of its own brand and achieve comprehensive scale breakthroughs, business breakthrough, and talent breakthrough. We will provide high-quality switch products to customers and innovative intelligent products, and is committed to building the first brand of China's knife switch. Zhagong people believe that, in the near future, Zhagong will become the most influential enterprise in the industry. The well-known Zhagong products will also go global. And the world. The employees of Zhagong are proud of the brand and work for happiness. They work in a garden-like factory, focus on manufacturing high-quality switches. They build a vision and look forward to a better future.